Guys, finally I have received my first payment from YouTube, and in this video I'm going to reveal you exactly how much I have received my first payment. But before that, we are going to celebrate this moment by cutting this cake with my elder daughter hand. So here she is. So now we are going to celebrate by cutting out the cake. So are you going to say something? Okay, so here's my another daughter. She was crying a lot because I just carried her sister and told to cut the cake. So now she's laughing after sitting in my lap. So now both of my daughter will help me to cut this cake, and this is going to be the celebration for my first YouTube payment. So now I'm going to fire this candle.
Kali betul nani nani politikus. Congratulations baba भन न ल ल
कान्छीको हातले
कान्छी ती बसिरहेछ त
ल त्यही छोड
थोरै
So I'm going to
साना
give this to my elder daughter firstly.
साना
ल सानो
ए साना हेर्दिन त्यही खुवाएको हो
त्यसलाई क्रिम खुवाइदिनु न क्रिम
Okay guys, the celebration is over and it was literally so much fun with my daughters. And now let's come to our core topic, and as you can see there is $106. This is the revenue of last 28 days, so it is not my first income from YouTube. Okay, and before revealing my first payment, how much it was, I want you to give some knowledge that I have recently experienced by making some videos on my own. Okay, so my YouTube videos doesn't get lots of view. Okay, but recently, as you can see at here, this is shorts. Okay, I've got 1200 views, and I want to show you on shorts. And this to make these shorts are extremely simple, and recently YouTube have also announced that they are going to monetize the shorts, due to which it is going to be extremely beneficial for all the people who don't want to create long form videos and only want to create shorts. So let's see my shorts. Okay, I've got like 29,000 views, okay, on shorts. And here you can see I made one video. This was from Jake Paul channel, Jake Paul Instagram post, Andrew Tate versus Jake Paul. That is not important. Okay, we are not talking about this kind of video, but the video I'm talking about is, if you can still count your money, okay, then there is like short 5 to 7 second video, okay, where I'm speaking out the quote by myself, okay, in a format. So if you watch any of these shorts, you will understand what kind of shorts are these. And what I have did is I've simply searched for money quotes, because my channel is related to money. Okay, that's why I have searched for money quotes, and there I get lots of quotes that are related to money. Like, to get rich, you have to be making money while you are asleep. Okay, so this kind of quote I speak out by using my cell phone. Okay, and then make it a short video and post it, and I'm getting good amount of views. Now you can do the same thing. Okay, if you are a YouTuber and you are in weight loss niche or in gaming niche, then you can also type gaming quote, like weight loss quote. Okay, and then create shorts in this similar format. Okay, so now let's move towards revealing the first payment that I received from YouTube. And let me tell you that I'm extremely happy because of this new income source that has been added. I've never started a YouTube channel to make money from AdSense or something like that. Okay, but recently there are lots of people who are making good amount of money with YouTube. So I thought to give it a try, and I started to upload lots of videos in YouTube, and I got monetized. Okay, and I also started to make revenue, and this is another source that has been added to my income source. So previously I used to earn from this kind of affiliate network, CPA network like Max Bounty, ClickBank, okay. And I also used to earn from the course platform that's called Udemy. I have several courses on Udemy where people love to watch this course. As you can see in one of my this course, there are 112 ratings with ratings and reviews with 4.3 stars. Similarly, I have also post my similar courses on Skillshare also, and I make videos only this screen recording videos, okay. I use this OBS studio, okay. This is simple. I just use this OBS studio. I don't even use face nowadays, okay. Previously when I started that time also, I have not used any face. And in this course there are 386 students. This is the same course, okay. Like here is like I think 400 500 students in this course, and I have made this course by only using this kind of screen recording videos, okay. So if you can record a screen and if you have knowledge to share, you can post your course also in Udemy and Skillshare. So now what you can do is I can reveal my first income. So but let's click on this revenue and let me show you. So as you can see, my RPM for last 28 days is $16.6 and $35 is playback based CPM, okay. If you don't know about these things, you can watch it on other YouTube videos, okay. Now scroll below. So my channel got monetized on July and it made only $36, and then in August only $55, and in September $84, and in October it made $101, okay. So altogether I made like $300 to $400, I think, around this much. And if I show you in my AdSense, then my last payment was of $173.68, and my next payment would be of $169.27, because for lots of months I was not getting, but straight 3 months I didn't pass any threshold in 1 month, okay. But however my pin didn't arrive, okay. My pin didn't AdSense pin didn't arrive. And also I've made a video on that also, what happens when AdSense pin don't arrive. You can verify it without pin also. I've just scheduled that video, I think. Okay, so this is going to be posted today. Verify without pin, 4-time AdSense pin not received, verify without pin, okay. So here I have shown how you can verify your AdSense account without pin. So guys, this much is my first payment, that was $173, which became the cause of the celebration for today. And guys, if you also want to start your YouTube channel, then what I would suggest you is that you go to Udemy, okay, Udemy, and take my this course. This has low rating, okay, but this teaches exactly what I do, okay, screen recording this by using this OBS studio for free, okay. And there I have talked about some affiliate stuffs also, which can be beneficial for you. Or if you already have a Skillshare, then there is no any this course, because Skillshare did not approve my that course in here. And if you want to learn how to build free funnels, do email marketing for free, then you can take my this one course if you want, okay. I'm not forcing you, I'm just explaining you. And if you want to run like brand building campaign, so for example, if your product name is keto something, and you want to run ads on Bing ad by targeting the keyword that keto something and promote that product, which will increase your chance of getting sales, then that kind of thing if you want to learn, then this is the course that you can go with, okay. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.